Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the night sky that we see? Just imagine, beyond the sparkling stars and glowing moon that paint our night sky, lies an expanse so vast and mysterious that it boggles the mind. A place where the rules of our world are rewritten, where the impossible becomes possible. This place is our solar system, a cosmic ballet where celestial bodies dance around a fiery star we know as the sun. At the heart of our solar system sits the sun, a sphere of hot, glowing gas 400 times larger than our own planet. This radiant star is the life force of our system, its gravity holding everything in place, its light bathing the planets in warmth and energy. Circling this star are 8 diverse planets, each with its own unique story. Closest to the sun are the rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are smaller, dense worlds with solid surfaces you could walk on if you could withstand the extreme temperatures, that is. Then we move to the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, enormous spheres composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. These planets are so large that you could fit over 1,000 Earths inside Jupiter and still have room to spare. Saturn, with its spectacular rings, is not far behind. Beyond the gas giants lie the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. These frigid worlds are made up of heavier volatile substances like water, ammonia, and methane. They're known for their striking blue color because of the methane in their atmospheres. Lastly, we have the dwarf planets, like Pluto, which are smaller than the other planets and reside in the outermost regions of our solar system. Each of these celestial bodies, from the smallest dwarf planet to the largest gas giant, plays a crucial role in the grand spectacle that is our solar system. So buckle up, fellow explorers. We are about to embark on a thrilling journey through our solar system. Space, the final frontier. But who were the pioneers that dared to explore it? Our first steps into the cosmos began not so long ago, in the mid-20th century, with the launch of the very first human-made object into space. This was Sputnik, a shiny metal sphere about the size of a beach ball, sent up by the Soviet Union in 1957. It hummed around our planet, beeping its radio signals back to Earth, and sparked the beginning of an entirely new era. This was the starting gun of what we now call the space race, a competition between 2 of the world's superpowers at the time, the United States and the Soviet Union. Both nations were determined to prove their technological prowess and potential by reaching out to touch the stars. The space race was marked by a series of remarkable achievements. In 1959, Luna 2, another Soviet creation, became the first spacecraft to reach the moon. Soon after, in 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first human to orbit the Earth. This was a feat that left the world in awe and pushed the United States to ramp up their efforts. But the Americans were not far behind. In 1962, John Glenn became the first American to orbit Earth. This was followed by the historic Apollo missions that led to Neil Armstrong setting foot on the moon in 1969, a moment that is still celebrated as one of humanity's greatest achievements. Each of these steps forward spurred on the other side, driving them to reach further, to explore more, and to push the boundaries of what was thought possible. This competition, this race to the stars, didn't just advance our knowledge of the universe, it united the world in a shared sense of wonder, curiosity, and ambition. And thus, the era of space exploration began. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor. But do you know who first set foot there? It was a warm July day in 1969 when humanity achieved something extraordinary. Imagine for a moment the anticipation of millions as they huddled around their television sets, their eyes glued to the grainy black and white images. This was the Apollo 11 mission, a daring journey of over 200,000 miles through the vast emptiness of space. In the heart of this great adventure were 3 brave astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. But it was Armstrong who would become the first person to set foot on the moon. As the lunar module, aptly named Eagle, touched down on the dusty surface of the moon, an anxious world held its breath. Then Armstrong, clad in his bulky spacesuit, descended the ladder and planted his foot on the moon's surface. He uttered the iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." It was more than just a step. It was a moment that represented the boundless potential of human exploration, a testament to our insatiable curiosity. The moon landing was not just about reaching a new frontier, it was about proving that we, as a species, could overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. It was about demonstrating that with determination, courage, and a dash of audacity, we could venture beyond our own planet and touch the stars. The significance of this milestone in space exploration is hard to overstate. It opened doors to a universe of possibilities and set the stage for future space missions. It kindled a spark in the hearts of countless aspiring astronauts and ignited the imaginations of people around the globe. So the next time you glance up at the night sky, remember the bravery of those 3 astronauts and the extraordinary feat they accomplished. Remember that beneath the tranquil glow of the moon lies a landmark of human achievement, a symbol of our indomitable spirit. With one small step, a giant leap was made for mankind. Beyond the rocky planets lie the intriguing gas giants, but what makes them so special? Well, let's embark on a journey to the outer realm of our solar system, where we'll encounter the colossal gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. These cosmic titans are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, the same elements that make up our sun. First stop, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter's most iconic feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. Can you imagine a storm lasting that long on Earth? Now, what's truly fascinating about this storm is its size. It's so enormous that 2 to 3 Earth-sized planets could fit within it. But don't let the name fool you. The Great Red Spot is not always red. Its color changes from brick red to slightly brown, depending on the varying amounts of clouds in Jupiter's atmosphere. Next, we journey to Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Saturn is perhaps best known for its stunning ring system. These rings are made of countless particles of ice, dust, and rock, some as tiny as a grain of sugar, and others as large as mountains. They're a beautiful sight, reflecting sunlight and sparkling like a diamond necklace in the night sky. What's more, Saturn's gravity is so strong that it's literally squished the planet into a shape that's not quite round. It's kind of like a squashed ball, with its diameter at the equator being larger than at the poles. So, what makes these gas giants so special? It's their size, their unique and mesmerizing features, and the fact that they're unlike anything we have here on Earth. They truly are a testament to the diversity and wonder of our solar system. Their size and unique features make the gas giants a sight to behold. Further into the solar system, we encounter the mysterious ice giants. But what secrets do they hold? Venturing beyond the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, we find ourselves in the realm of the ice giants. 2 planets, Uranus and Neptune, reside in this icy kingdom, both shrouded in a beautiful blue hue. This isn't just a fancy dress-up, though. Their unique color is the result of a special ingredient found in their atmospheres, methane. Methane, a simple molecule composed of carbon and hydrogen, has a peculiar talent for absorbing red light. As sunlight reaches these distant planets, the methane in their atmospheres swallows up the red and reflects back the blue, painting these worlds in breathtaking shades of turquoise and azure. But the ice giants are more than just pretty faces. They are home to some of the most extreme weather in the solar system. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, is known for its sideways tilt, causing its poles to experience 42 years of continuous sunlight or darkness. Imagine that, a summer vacation that lasts 4 decades. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, boasts the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. The term ice giants might make you think of frosty snowmen, but it actually refers to the abundance of ices in their composition, substances like water, ammonia, and methane that are gases on Earth but freeze solid in the chilly outer solar system. Despite their distance, Uranus and Neptune have a lot to offer in the way of scientific discovery. From their complex weather systems and unique atmospheric composition to their intriguing moons and faint ring systems, there's a wealth of knowledge to be gained. The ice giants, though distant, hold many mysteries waiting to be unraveled. We've come a long way in space exploration, but what does the future hold? Picture this, a world where space is not a final frontier, but a familiar friend. A place we visit, study, and maybe even call home. That's the future we are inching towards, one space mission at a time. Let's start with the red planet Mars. The Mars rover mission, already ongoing, has a robotic scientist roaming the Martian surface. This mission is helping us understand the planet's climate and geology, and determining whether life ever existed there. But we're not stopping at robots. Ambitious plans are afoot to send humans to Mars. Yes, that's right. In the not-too-distant future, people like you and me might be exploring Mars firsthand. Then there's the Artemis mission. Remember the moon landing? Well, we're going back. This time we're aiming to set up a sustainable human presence on the moon. Imagine, a base on the moon where astronauts can live and work. It sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's the near future of space exploration. And it doesn't stop there. Scientists and space agencies around the world are planning missions to asteroids, to the outer planets and their moons, and even to the very edges of our solar system. We're developing new technologies like better rockets and new ways to keep astronauts healthy on long journeys, all with the goal of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and experience. So what does the future hold for space exploration? It holds new discoveries, new technologies, and new possibilities. It holds the potential for humans to become a multiplanetary species. It holds the promise of answering some of our biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? What's out there beyond the stars we see in the night sky? The future of space exploration indeed looks promising and full of exciting possibilities. So buckle up, space enthusiasts, because the journey is just beginning. What a journey it's been, delving into the mysteries of our solar system and the history of space exploration. We've traversed the cosmic neighborhood we call home, from the fiery surface of the sun to the rocky realms of inner planets, and on to the gaseous and icy giants that dwell in the outer reaches. We've stepped back in time to witness the dawn of space exploration, reliving the exhilaration of the first moon landing, a giant leap for humankind. We've marveled at the majesty of the gas giants with their swirling storms and mighty winds, and the ice giants with their frigid temperatures and mysterious moons. Peering into the future, we've contemplated the exciting possibilities that await us in the realm of space exploration. From establishing human colonies on Mars to venturing into the farthest corners of the universe, the cosmos is our playground. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows, you could be the next great space explorer.